everybody and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of my video, I have new releases out today. So I have decided that every Wednesday I'm going to come out with new releases. So I wanted to let you guys know, that Wednesdays you can probably expect a new release. And also, just a little announcement here. I am going to be on vacation from August 31st, I think that's the last day of August, all the way through September 8th. Anyways, okay, let's get into this. So I have my October kits out. So this is just the sunflower design here. You can use this for the header of your monthly views. All the kits look like this. So it looks like it's a block of just red nothing, but really there's four skinny washi strips that you can use. You can use this to cover up that like rainbow strip on top of your monthly view. If you don't like that, you can use them for anything, honestly. I try to size these washies so you can use it kind of like anywhere. And this is on removable sticker paper, so I thought this was a really cute combo. It kind of reminds me of Harry Potter, like Gryffindor colors. I think this is very fall-like. And also I want to address that you can purchase these all separately too. I try to make it like a better deal for you guys to purchase it all like in one kit, but if you don't want any of this stuff, then you can just purchase it, separately too. So the next thing is also on removable matte paper. These are my new event boxes. I decided to change up the way the event boxes look. So they are gonna look like this. I just wanted to add more boxes for you guys. I have 8 maroon boxes and then 8 of like the yellow gold boxes as well. And then also I have my scallop washi here that you can use for anything. You can use them to cover up the dates that are not being used for the month. You can use them to block out like days as well. You can decorate your headers with the scallops. I don't know. It's up to you guys. You guys know how I plan. I usually get a kit that's meant to use a certain way, and then I kind of completely change it up. So yeah, I made sure that you guys are able to use it however you want. And then lastly, I have my transparent washi strips. So these are non-removable transparent stickers. It looks like this, and you just, you could put it on your monthly headers. You can put it through the boxes, the dates. You can put these through the boxes through the days. I included 2 like full-size header washies, and then I have like a half washi here. And then this maroon is also a half washi. And then at the bottom, I have 2 skinny washies that you can use. If you're still using the 2018-2019 planners, you can put that through the days, which I usually like to do, or you can just do whatever you want with it. So yeah, you guys can just order these all separately. You guys can order all in a kit. I'll be sure to leave all the information in the down bar below so you guys can check it out. So yeah, I really hope that you guys like this design. I really think that it's really folly and really just sweet and simple. You know what I mean? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys.